Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining me again. Let's go over your math problems for today. The first one you had to solve was 46 times 19, another 2-digit on the bottom. So let's start with the first digit, which is a 9. And we're going to do 9 times 6. 9 times 6 equals 54. This is a 2-digit number, so like we've been practicing, we're going to put the 4 down here. And then we're going to take that 5 and carry it up to the next place value. We're going to put a little plus sign by it because in a minute we're going to add that number. So we're finished with the 54. All right, so now we're going to do 9 times the 4. So 9 times 4 gives me 36. Write that down here, 36, but I have to add the 5. Don't forget that. So 36 plus 5 is going to give me 41, okay? So I put my 1 here. There's nowhere to carry that 4 because there's no other digits over there, so we're going to put it down here as well. All right, so I finished with that. I'm actually going to put a check mark on this 5 because I'm finished with it as well, just so I don't get confused when I go to the next digit. All right. Let's start with the 1. Before I do anything, let's do a placeholder. Remember, we got to put a placeholder because we're moving over to a new place value. I'm going to put a happy face down here as my placeholder. There we go. Now I'm ready to multiply the 1 times everything on the top. So 1 times the 6 gives me 6. And then 1 times 4 gives me 4. Remember, I'm not going to add that 5 this time because that was for the 9. So I don't have to add it again. I'm finished with it. So now that we have gotten everything done, we can do some adding. 4 plus happy face is just 4. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then 4 plus 4 is 8. So the final answer to this one is 874. There we go. Next up, 73 times 42. Start with my 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. I put my 6 down here. 2 times 7 equals 14. Put 4 here. Go ahead and drop that 1 down because there's nothing to put it on top of up there. And now I am done with the 2. Let's move on to the 4. Remember, before you can move on, though, you have to put a placeholder. Don't forget to put a placeholder. I'm going to put a heart again. There we go. Now I'm ready to multiply. So I can do 4 times the 3. Remember, always start with the digit all the way over to the right on the top. 4 times 3 equals 12. So I put the 2 in 12 down at the bottom. And I need to carry that 1 up there above the 7 in the next place value. I'm going to put a little plus sign because I'm going to add that in a minute. Now I can do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28, plus the little 1 right there gives me 29. And I am finished, so I can write it all down here at the bottom. All right, now we're ready to add. 6 plus heart, 6 plus nothing basically equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Put my 0 down here. Carry the 1 from the 10 up here. And then 1 plus 2 equals 3. So my final answer right here, 3,066. All right, guys, one more. This time we have 3 digits on the top and 2 digits on the bottom. We're going to follow the same steps. Start with my 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. So I put my first digit down here, and I carry the second one up to the top over here. All right, 3 times 5 is 15. But I have to add that little 1 there. 15 plus 1 gives me 16. Okay, so I put 6 in the bottom spot here. And then the 1, there's somewhere to carry it, right? I can carry it up here over above this 1 in the next place value. So I do the 3 times the 1. See, we're having to multiply 3 by everything up there at the top. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So I'll put that right there. Now I'm going to cross off these ones because I'm finished with them. I can put a star on the 3 because I'm finished with it. I'm actually going to erase these arrows for us. Get those out of the way. Okay, so now I'm ready to move on to the 2. Before I can move on, though, I have to put my placeholder. Don't ever, ever, ever forget that placeholder, guys. This time I'm just going to put a 0. You can put anything you want there, just as long as you know it means nothing. That has a value of nothing. So now we're going to do 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. I'm going to put my 2 right here. And then I'm going to carry the 1 up here. Okay. I'm going to do 2 times 5, which is 10. But don't forget to add that little 1, the green one, right? So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Put that 1 down here. Carry my 1 up here to the next place value. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus this 1 gives me 3. So I'm writing that down here, and now I add 8 plus 0, or 8 plus nothing is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. And nothing plus 3 is 3. So my final answer, 3,588. That's it. All right, who's ready to laugh really hard at another awesome joke? What do you call a pig who knows how to use a knife? A pork chop. Hi-ya! All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.